What is Ijara and how does this Islamic finance contract work? Imagine renting a car or leasing equipment, but with a twist that respects Islamic rules. That's what Ijara is all about. It's a way to use assets without breaking religious laws against interest. In simple terms, Ijara is a leasing agreement where the owner of an asset, called the lessor, allows another person, the lessee, to use it for a set period. The owner keeps ownership during the lease. The lessee pays rent for the use, but no ownership transfers until the end, if at all. This contract is popular in Islamic finance because it avoids interest, which is forbidden in Islam. Instead of charging interest on a loan, the lessor charges rent for the asset's use. The rent is fixed and agreed upon before the lease begins, so there are no surprises. For example, if someone wants to buy a car, a bank might buy it first and lease it to the customer. The lease might last 4 or 5 years with monthly payments. At the end of the lease, the customer might have the option to buy the car, often called lease ending with ownership. This is similar to rent-to-own agreements in many countries. The contract clearly states what asset is being leased, how long the lease lasts, and the amount of rent to be paid. It also specifies who is responsible for maintenance. Usually, the lessee handles routine upkeep, while the owner takes care of major repairs. This keeps things fair and transparent. The lessor bears the risk of ownership. If the asset gets damaged or needs major repairs not caused by the lessee, they are responsible. If the lessee misses payments, they cannot be charged interest or penalties based on interest, which is against Islamic law. Ijara is used worldwide for many things like homes, cars, and business equipment. It offers Muslims a way to finance assets without interest, aligning with their religious principles. It also promotes fairness, risk-sharing, and transparency in transactions. Overall, Ijara is a practical tool in Islamic finance. It helps people access assets while respecting Islamic rules on interest and risk. It's a simple, ethical way to lease and eventually own assets in a global market that is increasingly open to Islamic financial products.